All right, the last thing we're going to look at in this section, section 9.2, measure central tendencies, we want to look at understand the difference between the mean and the median. The mean is the average of the numbers, whereas the median is the middle number. With the median, half the data is above that value and half the data is below that value. Sometimes the median gives us a better idea of what is occurring with the data, especially when you have one or two data values that are skewing the average. Classic example is if you've got looking at an income of a neighborhood, and if you got someone that's a billionaire in that neighborhood and you average it with everyone else who just has regular income, it's going to look like everyone is a millionaire in that neighborhood. And so that really does not give us a good sense of what's going on. So let's go and turn to our workbook. We're going to look at on page 166, problem number 12. The salaries for the employees at a doctor's office are $43,600, $44,500, $46,100, $47,300, and $425,400. Find the mean and the median, and why is the mean misleading? So, even though we can do this by hand, let's just kind of practice doing this on our calculator. So here I'm going to go to data, and I've got some old data here, so I hit my data key again, hit option 4 to clear everything out. Now these salaries, I'm just going to be entering them in L1. So we have 43,600. We have 44,500, 46,100, 47,300, and 425,400. Now, I don't have anything to put in column 2. There's nothing to put in the L2 because there's no frequency here. Each of these salaries appears once. So I do my second and my data key to get to my stat mode. Do one variable stat. I have to change something. My data is still in L1, but now I have no frequency in L2. I need to tell the calculator that each number of those numbers appears only once. In other words, the frequency is 1. So what I did is I hit my down arrow key, and then I use my left arrow key to move over to where the cursor is flashing over 1 under frequency. I hit enter. So that basically tells the calculator, just look in L1. I calculate, and that's going to give us our mean. And so our mean here is $121,380. And just hit the up arrow to item number. Our median is 46,100. So we'll go and have those written down. Now, think about what that means. If I just look at the mean, I'm thinking that everyone in this office is earning over $120,000, because I'm thinking the average income of people working in this office is over $120,000. That's really misleading because you only got one person that is earning $121,000 over $120,000. So this means, or the mean says that the average earnings is above $120,000, when in reality only one person earns above that. And that's basically how our mean can go through and really skew our results. So like a lot of times they will look at median income, because at least I know that if you say that the median income is $46,100, I know that half the people earn above that amount, and I know that half the people earn below that amount. Because in this situation, it says the mean says that the average earnings is above $120,000, when in reality only one person earns above that.